Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning into the live stream. And yes, before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research. So yes, please do your research before tuning in as we knock out this little stream here. So, 1 second. Yes, probably will be changing. So, it just changed right now. But 1 second. I'm going to tell the team we're on live. So, give me one moment here. All right, yeah. Just tell them we're on live, so they should be getting that notification anytime soon. All right, so yes, let's go over the cues first, and also what I'll be looking for it on tomorrow. So as you can see here, yes, we ended up getting this nice little clean little break into the empty space, and then yes, we had this next leg up. So this is a lotto play. As you can see here, we ended up getting directly above it, and yeah, we ended up going up to this first TP. That final there is at 605, but I could care less if it does not want to go. Yo, Mariano, what's up? What's up? So yeah, for tomorrow, what I'll be looking at for this, and hopefully, that's if we do want to get this continuation. We got this here, so I'm actually going to get rid of it, and we're going to start fresh on it. Good to see you. Hope you're having a good day. So honestly, I like it a lot. There's still a lot of empty space here, man, and so clear gap down here. This is going to be more of a little bit of a range, but may have to tweak this up for tomorrow. Well, this is above that 605, and then hopefully we go up into this 614. Looks good. So that's what I can see there, which looks decent. Had a couple decent moves on this one. So yeah, that is on the cues, which looks good. And then yes, downside, of course, there is a little box here. And then honestly, yeah, there on that 594, I personally would try to take it down to that 589. So just like today, lots of empty space on both sides. We got this clear gap down too, so I like looking at both sides of the picture, seeing what we got there. So, you okay? Thanks for the unfollow. Appreciate it, bro. All right, so yes, let's go over Tesla now. And for Tesla, there was a really good move on this one earlier today. And as you can see here, so this was this empty space. That looks good. Yeah, this is crazy. The bot is in here again, guys. It said, oh my gosh. We got these TikTok bots, guys. Yeah, that's crazy. Alright, anyways, yeah. So, this was the empty space from this one that I did see here. And then, yes, after this, we will be going over some swings. What I'll be looking for end of day, or at least adding to it. And then, yeah, we ended up targeting to this downside. We ended up touching this downside here. I think I ended up posting a chart for this. So, boom, clears the gap up. Really clean gap up. And then we had the empty space, which it was below us. And as you can see, we ended up hitting that TP, which did really nicely there. So, you can see how that play ended up happening. For tomorrow, I still like the upside too. Let's see, 419. Want to see if we can break and go into this pocket up to this 428. So, another little box, empty space. So yeah, we try to break it down as easy as we can inside the Discord. So that's what I can see there, which looks really, really good. All right, let's see. I should probably pull up this other chat too. 1 second here. I'm gonna pull up this other chat. I know we're live on it. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. All right, so yeah, that's on Tesla. Downside, there is a little bit more, but I'll just wait for that for tomorrow. All right, everyone knows about Coin. Still looks really good. Hopefully we get this nice candle body close outside this box, and then yes, we got some empty space, which is above us. Oh man, no! I just spilled some water on me. Oh, dude. All right, 1 second. Technical difficulties, guys. All right, 1 second. I swear I'm not lying, but. If I was face streaming, you guys would see it. All right, it's all good. We got it. We got to figure it out. Yo, Bo Julius, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I got you guys. So yeah, empty space above there. We'll see how this last hour will bring us. So we got what, 59 minutes left before market closes. Hopefully we get that empty space move, which looks good. So not too bad there. We'll keep on going though. So yeah, you guys want to see Tesla? Okay, we got that pulled up. We can also go over SPY again, or we didn't go over SPY in this live stream yet. We'll also pull up IWM. Okay, hello. Okay, cool. There's Cat Lady. What's up? What's up? So honestly, beautiful first day. Great first day back. We ended up getting a couple decent plays, decent trades. Can't complain. Shout out to a couple members ended up hitting a few trades with us. Shout out Jesus. One member made what, 2 bands there, so not a bad little deal on that. First couple members got some decent gains today. So we'll be looking for a couple more. All right, yeah. So this was a 15-minute chart. I didn't take this 15-minute one, but yeah, there was empty space there. But screw that. Let's go to let's see, a 30-minute chart, 30-minute 1 hour. So for tomorrow, if this doesn't want to happen during the day, we got another pocket here. So that looks good for tomorrow, unless if we gap up overnight. But nice top, bottom wall. Got some empty space here. So yeah, right here. As you can see, yeah, we got this clear gap down, clear as day. That's what I would want to the upside. So that's above that 685. So just like all these trades here, empty space, Potter box is there. So same thing with the Qs, empty space. And then, yeah, we got that next leg up eventually. Clear gap up. You see we're in that box. Once we break outside of it, we got empty space below us. So that's what we target to every day. You can see how we call out trades, and if they hit, they hit. If they don't, that's fine. But yeah, that's what I can see. And also to go back over Tesla, honestly, I would let it, at least for me, I'm going to let it build a little bit of structure for that downside, which is down to that 396. Upside, what I do like, well, that 419 up to that 428 looks good. Yo, I know, good to see you, bro. If anyone has any requests, you can go ahead and drop those in the comments. We are looking for these swings. So, not a bad day today. Want to see if we can get some decent swings for today. So, we shall see. All right, 1 second here. All right, 1 second. I had to send a couple messages. All right, so we did Tesla. Let's do OKLO. Oh, this looks really good. It's almost there. All right. I still like that 4-hour box though. So that 4-hour box still looks good. I think we did this on 2 hour though. Okay, yeah. Still same thing. We got a box here, a little bit of empty space. So what I would like to see is above this top box here, this top wall, you can see we got body candle and another body candle here, which we need to break above in order for us to go into the empty space. Which is at 74.79. So hopefully we can get up there, which looks good. So yeah, basically seeing this clear gap down, no consolidation. Hopefully we can break up outside and then go into this empty space, which looks good. Looks good. All right, so okay, hello, we did that. So almost ready. We'll see if this next 30 minutes or so can clutch up. See if we can get a nice little push into the empty space. But yeah, let's keep going. What else have we got? Okay, hello, we just did that. We can do AVGO. All right, one second. I'm just pulling up all these charts here. QXO. All right, cool. We'll take a look there. So we did. I don't think we did SPY yet. No, we did SPY. We did. All right, we just did SPY already. What was my thoughts on Tesla downside? Yeah, we'll pull that up as well. I got you, bro. All right, AVGO. Let's take a look here. I already have my alert set on this one, so I don't want to miss this one at all. But it looks like we're getting close to that entry there. So I get it. Looks like that floor was already established, but I like this empty space here. So I've seen this clear, beautiful, beautiful gap down here. No consolidation. So what I want to see is above that 354. We get that break outside of that box and go into this empty space up to that 406. So doesn't look bad. We'll see if we get that nice little break above. All right, yeah, that's on AVGO. So hopefully this happens soon, because there's a nice little pocket there that I would like to go into, just like all these other trades. So I can show you some from the day. Little pocket there. So same thing, empty space. You can see empty space. It's just different price targets, and then that was that. So works both ways. Empty space is there. So yeah, we try to look for the simple plays, simple trades. See what a couple other members did on a few of those plays. QQQ. Obviously not just today. So great first day back. But yeah, looking for more moves like this week. We got a couple decent plays that we already hit. So I definitely just want those end of day swings, and boom. See what a few members did on a few trades. Overall, not a bad day. He said, dude, yeah, it was. So that floor was at 326. We went up, what, to 333 on that. But yeah, if it wants to continue, there's a lot more, man. So, we shall see. All right, QXO. Yo, Pro Cleaners, no worries, man. Good to see you, bro. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream once again. All right, so QXO. I think I did this on a. So I did this on a 24-hour chart here. So we are still staying above, which I do like. Looks like we are building a little bit of more of a consolidation, more structure. So we have to get above that 2711. Try to finish that upside, which still looks good. Still like that full move, but we'll see if we can get a lot of or better movement on this, which doesn't look too bad. All right, so Tesla downside. So same thing like today, how we caught it to the downside. I don't want to go to a 1 hour, 2 hour chart. 1 hour. This is what I like here. So. All right, so yeah, what I can see, if we scroll in, if we do end up dropping, and hopefully tomorrow this could be a nice little play, which you know, doesn't look too bad for me. We got a nice top and bottom wall here, and then right under us, we got some empty space. So under that 400 area, I personally want to see down to that 390. That's if we want to get there. So I'm not saying that we will, but literally the same play. Like, I don't know if anyone was watching my stream from this morning, but we went over it. Hold on. There we go. So clear gap up here, same thing. Tesla, clear gap up here. So I'll be looking for that same move. And yes, we called it out inside the VIP chat, textile, and through live voice chat. So hopefully, if we want to drop, man, yeah, that'll be great, cool. I'll see you then. If we want to go up, that's perfectly fine as well. I'd be a happy camper doing either one. So that's what I can see, which looks good. Yo, Fritz, what's up, bro? Amazon, yep, got you, bro. AMZN, and then you guys wanted to see what else am I looking at? Apple. Dude, Apple went crazy today. Alright, yeah, and yes, we will be going over it too. On Apple. And what else is left? And yes, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab me another water bottle since I literally spilled all of mine. I swear I spilled it. So yeah, if you do want to join the Discord, join the team. Links in the bio. All setups will be posted there today. But honestly, join the free chat if you'd like, or watch my free streams. I'm live pretty much every day. So yeah, just give me one moment, and we will be going over all these trades. If you have any requests, you can drop those in the comments. So give me one moment. So yeah, drop your comments, do your own research, all that good stuff. Be right back. Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm back. Are you swinging anything from today until the end of next week? Or until the end of the week? My bad, I can't even read. Yeah, I probably have a nice little autoplay. Alright, so on Apple here. Yeah, this was definitely a great move. So my final targets end up in there, but let's see here. What else do we got? Looks like we're still in some empty space, which honestly looks pretty crazy. I just don't really want to chase into this, so this is what I can see here. So top, bottom wall, and then yes, right above we have empty space, so that is up to this 74. Up to that 268. So I really don't want to chase. Hopefully we get some sort of retest at this 263.56 level. But yeah, if we do end up wanting to continue, there's this empty space here, so we shall see. Oh, also, I know this is off topic, but we're gonna be doing a lot more vlogs with the trading stuff. It got a really cool camera, so yeah, it's about to be cool. Anyways, yeah, that's on Apple. That's what I can see there. All right, cool, cool. Do you ever swing Tesla in options? I'll be honest, if I ever swing Tesla, it'll have to be like a lotto play. Um, I prefer not to. I'll be honest, I'd rather play it during the day. But if it's like a decent move, or if it's like a 24-hour move, then I'll definitely end up trying it. Um, and just have my risk. All right, so Amazon. Let's see here. So what I can see here, which, yes, we didn't end up breaking above our wall. We went back into our box, so it looks like we're building a new consolidation area. So I still like it. Personally, I want to see us get a break above that 201 area now. We're trying to finish that move. I know Amazon does like to play around a lot, so that's just what I can see there. All right, that's on Amazon. Let me take a look at a couple other trades. All right, let me see here. Got that alert there. Let me see here. Understood, it's too volatile. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like, Tesla has decent moves during the day. Like, at least for me, that I can just play during the day. I'll be honest, I don't play it every single day. But, if there's a move, I'll definitely end up trying it. And then having my stop loss. I mean, today, yeah, as you can see, it went pretty well on it. Clear gap up. And we ended up dropping, so everyone in the live chat ended up hearing that. All right, so hold on, let's see. Nike. Hold on. Okay, I can see Nike. There's a decent move. Nothing too crazy though. All right, let me see here. All right, let's see here. What else do we got? My bad, I was looking at all these chats here. All right, one second. I'll text my Glock. All right, my bad. Yo, Jules, yes, I can. I got you. SOFI, yo, Chris Kelly. Yep, no worries. All right, so, and with the punchback, those happens with the floor. So, kind of want to give like a good example here. So, or at least a decent example. So, at least my standpoint with it is like when we break outside the box and then we pretty much punch back into the box here. So hold on, like I want to see like even this could have been a, hold on, let's see. This isn't the best example, but we punch outside the box and then punch back through and then empty space is below us. I've seen it, hold on. There were like a lot of good moves from it that I could end up showing. Or honestly, I could get a few decent examples, and then maybe on my next live stream I can break those down a little bit better. You trade from the floor up or down, or wait for the break under the wall. So if I miss those floor entries, then yes, I will wait for a break outside those boxes, just because I just don't want like a bad entry. So like this one, we broke outside the box, went back in. That floor right there would have been a perfect entry, but boom, still empty space. So if I missed that, I would have just waited for that break outside that box here. Same thing like Tesla. Obviously, we weren't at that floor there, right? So I just waited for that break outside that box, and then we had a nice little 5-minute close, lower time frame close, and then there was that empty space there. So that's just how I do it. The only reason why I like trading from the floors is because I can get a better entry, and I don't really have to worry about entering in right at the empty space. I can have like a really good entry like this one, clear gap down, Potter box there, we punch back through this box, and then you can see there where that floor was, ended up going up, and there was that. So yeah, that's just pretty much how I do it. Not saying that I'm right. Sometimes I could be wrong. But yeah, we're making a couple videos on those right now, so it'll be pretty cool. All right, so 1 second here. SOFI. Let's see what we got. So it looks like, yeah, we ended up breaking outside this box here, but we just never wanted to finish this move. Could have been a nice little scalp or whatever. Let's see here. What do we got? Honestly, we still got a nice little pocket here of empty space. So what I can see is, yes, top bottom wall, nice little pocket here. Personally, yeah, I still like up to that 20, 55, and then I'll probably leave it up to this like 21 area. But that's what I could see, which doesn't look too bad if we want to get that nice little break. Let's see here. On that higher time frame, which is crazy, is saying we got a lot of empty space at the downside. So if we end up, you know, dipping more, there is a crazy pocket to this downside here, which honestly doesn't look too bad. So we'll see how this plays out. But yeah, that is pretty much just that upside there. All right, 1 second, 1 second. Texting Glock right now. All right, so let me see where coin at. Coin is at. Boom. All right, so we're pretty much back in this box here. We'll see if we can get that break above in the next 6 minutes or so. Still got a lot of empty space, which doesn't look too bad. So we shall see. All right, what else do we got? BAC, and then I think JPM I was looking at a little bit earlier. All right, 1 second here. Looks like there is a little pocket here, so this is more of a range rather than the box here. But we do got empty space up to that 312 if we do get this nice continuation, and then there's a pocket up to that 318. All right, so yeah, that's what I could see if we do want to get that nice little continuation break. So that's on JPM. BAC, nothing there quite yet. We got a box here that looks like we're trying to have this pocket, but still in that pocket there, so we'll see how that plays out. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning in. I will be inside the Discord working on these end-of-day swings, so yes, please do your own research before doing anything. If you do want to join the team, join the community, links in the bio. You can honestly join the free chat, the VIP chat if you'd like. Scroll through and see what we do here. So yes, links in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries. I will still be on live tomorrow morning before market opens. So either catch you inside the Discord for those swings, or for the end of, or for my next live stream in the morning. Have a blessing, guys. See you all.